Venn diagram is defined as a representation of set relationship. Venn diagram is a what? Representation, right? Of what? Of set what? Relationship. Are you there? I said Venn diagram is defined as a what? Of set what? Relationship. Okay, such as intersection of sets, union of sets, and set complements. Such as what? Set intersection, right? Second is what? Union of sets. And what again? Set what? Complement. Set what? Complements. Now, the essence of this class is to solve some word problem in set using Venn word diagram. Yesterday we have seen how to establish Venn diagram between two sets, between more than what? Two sets. Like for example, I gave a diagram like this. We say if we have a Venn diagram and we have two subsets, two what? Subsets. Here we have subset what? A and subset what? B, right? And this center part is the shaded part. What do we call this again? This center part shows what? What is common in what? Subset A and what? Subset what? B. Are you there? We call this what? A. Intersection what? B, right? Are you getting the concept there? The shaded part shows what? What is common in A and also in what? In B. For instance, if we are given that A is 2, 4, 6, and 8, then let's say B is 1, 4, 3, 5, 9, and 10. Then if you are asked to find A intersection B, what's common between A and B? 4. Just 4, right? 4. So it means that between A and B, only 4 is common. I can represent this in a Venn word diagram. Are you getting the concept now? Now this center part shows what is common between what? A and what? And B. What's common there is what? Yeah? So I will just clean here, right? And put what here? And put 4 here. 4 be here. Now if 4 is common, if I'm to remove 4 from A, what's remaining there? 2, 6, 8. So what will be here? 2, 6, and what? And 8. What about that of B? 1, 3, 5, 9, and what? And 10. Are you getting the concept now? This is how to represent this, using what called Venn diagram. But the major thing here is that our center focus is on what? The inter-what section. Are you there? Okay. Can I clear? I'm just recapping what we discussed yesterday. Then we say that if we have something of this nature, we have this. We have this. This set A and this was set B. This part here is the shaded part. This represents elements that are found where? In A, but not in what? In B. But not means B prime. B what? Prime. This is given as what? A intersection what? B prime. Or A minus what? That is what? A difference what? B. Also what? A slash what? Yeah? B. These three terms are the same. This means element found in A, but not in what? In B. This means element found in what? A, but not in what? In B. The same thing with this. That means the shaded region is there. Are you getting the concept now? Whenever any subset is not part of the shaded region, becomes what? Complement. Becomes what? Complement. So what do you call this? B what? Yeah? Complement. Now, if I have something of this nature, now you should know the answer now. This part here, the shaded part. What will it be? What will it be? B intersection what? A what? Prime and B. Are you aware? This shows what? Element found in what? In B, but not in what? In A. This same as what? Yeah? B difference what? A, right? Also same as what? Yeah? B slash what? Yeah? A. Are you following somebody? What if I have a set like this? This is just a recap. And everything, every part of A and B is being shaded here. What we call this symbol? Help me. A union. The word union means what? Combining both A and B without repeating what? An element. The combination of A and B is called what? Union. Am I communicating here? Okay. All right. If I have something of this nature, what if we have this? We have this and we have this. We have A and we have B. The only part shaded is this region here, the outside. Eh? This means what? No, there's no intersection here. This means what? A union what? B. All what? Prime. Prime means element found in the general set, but not in the union. Not where? In the union. Not simply means A and B are what? They are empty. These are the elements found where? In the general was set, but not in what? A and what? And B. Am I communicating somebody? Eh? Okay. What if we have a set like this? A and what? Yeah? B. What do you call this? Disjoint. Why? Because they are not connected. Two sets are disjoint if their intersection gives what? An empty set. It means I have, let's say I have this part shaded, right? I also have this part what? Shaded. Are you there? It means that A has its own element, right? B also has what? Its own element. But there's no intersection. That means set A and set B are what? Disjoint. They are what? Disjoint. This simply means what? A intersection B is equal to what here? A null. A what? A null set. What's a null set? An empty set. Are you getting the concept now? Okay, so yes. Number. Which one? Number 8 and number 9. What's number 8 now? Is that an assignment or what? No, it's a past question. Okay. Okay, connect me here. Let's look at this question she gave us. Connect me. Connect me. We are all learning, right? Now listen. We are given that general set is what here? Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to 10, right? And set A or subset A is what here? Is 2, 3, 4, 5, and what? 9. Subset B is 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, and what? And 8. Okay? Then the first question says, what question? Number 8 and 9, right? Okay. Is that C? Okay, there's subset C. And C here says 1, 2, 4. Is that in 4 or 14? 1, 2, 4. Are you sure? 7 and what? 10. So what question says what here? Represent what? Okay. Now the first thing we need to do, let me show up. Collect me here. Here we have how many subsets here? How many do we have? 3, right? So that means I'll bring out 3 subsets. I've not reviewed this, but let us solve since you want to know how to solve it. This A or B, this B, this C. Before I even draw this, is there any common element here? Eh? What's common between them? 2 or B? 2 and what? What do you think will be here? Between A, B, and C, what's common? 2 or B? I'll put that 2 here. Eh? Are you following? Between A and B, what's common to be here? What's common? Between A and B, what do you have? 3. A and B, 2 and 3, right? Yes, 2 is already here, right? So I'll bring out what here? 3. What again? Between B and C. Apart from 2. 1 and what? 1 and 7, right? What about A and C? A and C. Just 4. 2 and what? That is 4, right? So 2 is already here. Okay. Let's begin at the remaining part of A. What do you have for A? 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. We have only captured 2, 3, 4. What's many? So I'll put it here, B. What about B? We have captured 1, 2, 3, 7. What's many there? 6 what? 8. What about C? We have captured 1, 2, 4, 7. What's many for C? 10. And what the general said? From 1 to what? 10. Are there any elements here that are not in the general set? Or are there any elements in the general set rather that are not here? That means every element here are where? In the general set. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and what? 10. That means nothing is outside, Abi. Now listen now. We have to find what? What the question saying again? You what? Difference what? A, you know what? B, or what? Or prime. Now listen. These are special cases. What we need to do? We have to find what first? A union B. Are you getting the concept? When you find A union B, then what do? You find the prime of what? A union B. Then find the difference. Let's watch first. Solving for what? Solving for what? A union what? Yeah? B. Abi? What is A union B? What's A union B? Union means I'll combine both A and B without repeating. Abi? What do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Now let's find what now? A union what? B all what? Yeah, prime. That will give us what? I guess it's 10, Abi. Are you aware? Why is it 10? Prime means element in the general set, but not in what? A union B. It's just only 10, Abi. Are you getting our concept? All these elements here are where? In the general set, apart from what? 10. So 10 becomes what? A union B, all what? Yeah? Prime. Am I communicating? Now the next is to find what now? We're looking for universal set minus difference what? Yeah? Difference what? A union what? B. Let's watch. Universal set difference A union what? B, all prime. What does this mean? Who can tell me? Difference means what? Element in where? Universal set, but not in this. Abi? Element here, but not in what? This. Which are what? Eh? Is what? Eh? Are you serious? Is it 1 to 9 or empty? Look at it in English. What are the elements in the general sets, Abi, that are not in what? In this. One to 9. Not empty, Abi. Okay, the reverse will be element in this, but not here. But is that? It's not. Element in this, but not here will be what? Empty, Abi. But here is what? Somebody? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and what? Yeah? 9. Element in the general set. Those elements here that are here but are not where here are what? 1 to what? To 9. That means in this diagram, where are they? Let's take this, Abi. Apart from where? This. Meaning my normal shading, I will shade here, right? I will shade only what? Here, A and what? A and B. I will leave here what? Empty. Are you getting the concept now? Eh? Okay. So put this on. What's the next one? If there's no prime where? Sorry, the prime is there, sorry. If there's no prime where? If there's no prime here, that will not be element in the general set, but not in what? A union B. That will not be 10. Do you understand? But there's a prime here. So the prime is here, not here, okay? Is that all? Which one? Number 9 says what? See it here now, but let's explain it like this and this. Is it here? That means in my normal shaded, I will just shade here. Do you understand the concept? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, apart from what? 10. Simply means A and what? And B. They even made the work easy by giving you numbers to work with. Do you understand the concept? Number 9. Can you all solve this for me? Number 9 says what? Universal set Abi. Difference what? A intersection what? B prime. Abi? Okay. Can you all attempt that for me? Can you attempt it for me? Or should we solve it together? Together. Where should I clean? Can I clean here? Can I clean here? Oh yeah, before let me clean here. Element in the general set, but not in the other subset. The same number, yes. What do we do first? You can tell me. We find what first? A intersection what B. What do you do again? Find the prime. What do you do again? Find their what? Difference. What's the answer? 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Let me hear back. Okay. Can I clear now? Be fast. Are you following? Okay. There's a question I want us to solve. Okay, after that. Please, don't you help me check your past question. Check your past question. Let's solve a problem there under Venn diagram. Check for me. Maths 101 past question. Soft copy. Those I have it. Let me have it, okay? Check for me. Maths 101 past question. I have it, but I'm recording. I can't pause my video. Can I clean now? Yes. Can we now solve now? We are giving what here? Universal set minus what? A what here? Intersection what? B prime Abi. What do we do here? Solving for what? A union A what? Intersection what? B, right? And that will give us what here? Let's go. Between A and B, what is common? 2 and what? 2 and what? 3. 2 and 3. What do we do now? Let's find. Therefore, A intersection what? B prime will be what? 1 Abi. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and what? Yeah? 10. Hope you are aware. A intersection B prime means there's no 10 there. I don't understand. Calm down and let me explain. Calm down. Let. What's the intersection B? You agree that B? What's the next now? Intersection B what? Prime. What does this statement mean? No. Element in the general set, but not in what? A intersection what? B. Is that what it means? You are saying is A minus B. Listen please. Hope you are aware that A intersection what? B prime is not same as what? A intersection what? B. All what here? Prime. Are you aware? Are you aware? This one is in bracket now. Let's go out again. This prime here. This prime here is in bracket, is it not? This prime is just only on what? On B. Okay, right? Yes. Is it what? This one here. This statement means it's not the same with this. I mean, this is not the same with this. This one here means what? Element in A, but not in what? In B. This one here means what? Element in a what? General set, but not in what? A intersection what? B. Are you getting the concept now? So that means that what? Where are we? Is that correct, yeah? Is that correct? And it's correct now. Those elements you can find in the general set, but not in what? But not in what? A intersection B. Meaning, if I'm to remove 2 and 3 from here, what's remaining? Do you understand the concept? You get the concept now? Now, what's the next one? Is to find what? Universal set, right? Difference what? A intersection what? B all what here? Prime. What does this imply? Element where in the general set, but not in A union A intersection B prime. Element in the general set, but not in this other set here. Which is what again? The same 2 and 3. No, now you don't need to put it now.
Because the same representative data.
Which is this first? If you are giving a equation, listen please. If you are giving this, first into this will represent what? Your everything here in what? Venn diagram. Then you cannot start solving. You don't solve for one and put the Venn diagram. This and put it. No. Don't get the general Venn diagram and start solving. Let me see the equation inside. Where is it from? Let me see the textbook. Let me see it. Yes. Shade. We have done shading yesterday. A union B. Okay, let's go. Give me A what? Union what? B. Is there a prime there? Is same as what? U minus what? A union B. All prime. Correct. When we get to the laws of sets, I will explain after Venn diagram. We have what we call De Morgan's law, right? We have what we call what? Distributive law. Hope you are aware. Associative law. Identity law. Those laws I will explain, not now. Are you following now? Thank you for observing, but it's true. When we get there, I will explain. Are you getting what I'm saying? And there's what we call proofs of what? Sets. Or proofs in sets, sorry. There's a proof called analytical what? Proof. Are you aware? From there, I can prove that these two, they are what? The same. When we get there, I will prove them. For now, yes, proof. Proofs of sets. Are you there? I will explain when we get there. Where is it? Number what? I represent it, which is what I just did. After this, represent it in this Venn diagram. Then you can start solving. That's what they mean here. Which side? Where? Where? This side here. This bar. Now listen now. Listen, let me explain again. Listen, pay attention. We have to find this, right? What do you do first? In board bars, what comes first? Bracket, Abi. It means I have to solve what first? The bracket. And we have what in the bracket? A intersection what B. Now solving for what? A what? Intersection B. Meaning between A and B, what's common? You agree with 2 and 3. Are you aware 2 and 3? Because in A and B, only 2 and 3 is common. Now, the next is to find what now? A intersection B what? Yeah? Prime. Prime means every element, because here we are giving a general set. It means what? Every element in what? In the general set. But not among what? A intersection what? B. Meaning all the members of what? General set apart from what? 2 and 3. Which are what? 1, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 10, right? Is this part clear? Is it clear? Now the next one is to find what now? Universal set. Difference. This sign means what? Difference. A intersection what? B what? Prime. This also means what? Element in the general set, but not in what? A intersection what? B prime. What do we have as this here? Say this, Abi. Are you getting the concept now? What are the elements we can find in the general set, but not in what? A intersection what? B prime. Meaning all the elements here, right? Apart from what? 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which are what? 2 and 3. Is that clear? Who solved it before now? Person got 2 and 3. Who? Okay, she's not here. Oh yeah, put this question down. Put this down. Is there another one again from that material? Have you checked your past question? Have you seen anyone? Let me have it. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Put this down. In a class containing 32 students. In a class containing 32 what? Students. A student can either do a course in physics in a class containing 32 what? Students. Are you there? A student can either do a course in physics or biology or both. This is a past question that we are solving. A student can either do a course in physics or biology or both. Are you there? Full stop. If 16 students do physics, if 16 students do physics, are you there? 18 students do biology. 18 do what? Biology. Are you there? And 3, none of the courses. And 3, none of what? The courses. How many students offer both? Now, thank you. How many students offer what? Offer both. Let me add my own. Let me add. I. How many students offer exactly one subject? Right. How many students offer exactly what? One subject. How many students offer exactly one subject? I. How many students offers biology only? Biology what? Only. IV. Is it I? IV. How many offers physics only? Offers what? Physics only. V. How many offers chemistry only? Write it down. I know there's no chemistry. The answer is 0, Abi. Is it not? Sometimes it might appear in your exam. Don't say it's wrong. The answer there is what? 0. Why is it 0? Because we don't have what? Chemistry, Abi. The last one. How many offers at least one subject? At least is not same as exactly. The last one. At least one subject. Hope they are attending to you. Okay. Are you there? Now, can we solve now? I want you guys to understand this Venn diagram in a way that any question you see, you just match them, okay? I have a lot to give here. Now, what do we have there in the question? Read the question now. In a class of what? So, what's that general set, yeah? 30 what? 2 students, Abi? Okay, what again? We have either what? Physics or what? Biology or what? Both. Okay? Number that do physics. Physics is what? For physics, How many are there? 16, Abi? What again? Let me just 18. Do what? Biology is what? 18. 3. None of the what? Courses. Okay, let me just say, let me use NP for what? Physics, right? What's physics there? 16. N what, yeah? B for what? That is 18, Abi. N means number of physics is what? 16. Number of biology is what? 18. Then we're not told that what? 3. What happened to 3? None. That means they are part of the student, but they are not offering what? Any of the courses. So where are they located? They are inside the what? Universal set. So that means that this becomes what? Physics, union what? Biology. All what? Yeah, prime. How many are there? How many are there? Okay, let me explain. Listen. If I have this, pay attention, pay attention. We have this and we have this. If this is A and here's what B, Abi, if this part is the shaded part, what do we call this set again? What's it called? Those elements found where? In the general set, but not part of what? Are you following now? We are told that 3 are part of what? General set, but they're not offering either what? Either A of what or B. So where are they found? Where are they? Yeah. This diagram is what, somebody? A union what? B, all what, yeah? Prime. Are you aware? But if I shade only A and B, what does it represent? A union what? B. But if only the outside is being shaded, what do we have there? A union B, all what, yeah? Prime. So are we correct here? Okay. Now can we represent? Number of physics. Start what again? Explain what again from there. Now you don't know what I'm giving or what? Number that I offer physics is what? 16. What about biology? 18. Those that don't offer physics and what? Biology. They are where in the general set, Abi? Is it not? And what do you call them? B union B, all what? Yeah, prime, which is 3. Is that what we say? Is that not? Where are they located in the Venn diagram? Outside, Abi? They are here. Which is what the prime of what? B union what? B. Am I not? Are you getting it? People like come again. Come again to where? Now come again, Abi. Now look at this now. The Venn diagram is this. Here we have how many subsets? 2, Abi. I will draw this, right? Since they say from the question we have that. Read the question from. Let me get something. There's an English I use here. Read it for me. Continue. Okay. Or both. Can either do, I've captured it. Can either do what? A course in what? Physics or biology or what? Both. That means there's an intersection. So let's call that intersection what? X. So we have what here? Physics, Abi. We have what here? Biology. Let's call here what here? X. Are you there? Because we don't know how many that offers what? Physics and what? Biology. We call them what? X. How many offers physics? 16. How many is biology? 18. I hope you are aware that for the fact that we are told that 16 offers what? Biology. Among these 16, there are also those that offer what? Biology. Are you aware? If they say 18 offers what? Physics. Sorry, biology. It also means that among these 18, we have those that also offers what? Physics. When you hear the word only physics, that means only what? Physics. Look at this region here. This region is physics, Abi, but not physics what? Only. Where is physics only? This region. Are you getting the concept here? What do you call here? Biology. But not biology what? Only. Where is biology only? Yeah. When they say exactly one subject, it means what, yeah? Either physics only or what? Biology only. When they say exactly 2, it means what? X. It means what? X. X are those that offers both physics and what, yeah? Biology. Am I communicating here? Okay. So now listen now. To find those that offers physics only, it simply means that I will subtract my S from what? From 16. Here becomes 16 minus what? X. Are you aware? Look at this. If I have this here, and part of this is what? Is X. Abi? Is it not? Total circle is what? 16. Here is what? Somebody? 16, Abi? To find this region, what do we do here? 16 minus X. Let's say, for example, yeah, watch. If everything here is 16, and here is what? 6. What will be here? 16 minus what? 6, Abi? That means logically, if here is X, and everything here is what? 16. What will be here? 16 minus what? X. Is that clear? Likewise, that of what? Biology what? Only. What will be here? 18 minus what? X. But we are told that those that do not offer at all, how many are there? Where will they be? Outside. Are you getting the concept? Now, question says what? Who is not following? Let me see hand up. I'm not following. Okay, wait again. You're not following. Wait again. Be sincere. Just let me see hand up. Okay, 1, 2. You're not following. You again, okay? You. From where? From beginning. But you understand this, Abby? You understand this? Okay, some just walking now, right? Okay. Question says that we are told that in a class of what, 32 students, 16 offers physics, 18 offers what? Biology. 3 did not offer any of this. Are you there? But they are part of what? The students. Are you there now? Now, when I ask to what? Find those that offers what? Both, Abby? Is that not? Then with other questions. Now, to represent this in a Venn diagram, we have just 2 subsets. We just draw this. Let me remove this. Just draw this and draw this. We have what here? An intersection. Then we say let x. Let what? Let x represent those, Abi, that what? Offers what? Both, Abi? Both subjects. Is that not? We put that x here. Both simply means, this time means what is common in what? In physics and what? In biology. We call it what, yeah? X. Is that clear? Physics offers what? Sorry, I mean offer physics? 16. Out of 16 students that offers physics, among them, we also have those that offers what? Biology. Do you know why? The entire circle represents what? Physics, Abi. But that circle cuts across what here? Biology. Are you seeing it now? That part of physics is also in what? Biology. Is that making sense? So to get those that offers physics only physics, what do? We subtract this 18 minus what? X. Oh, sorry. 16 minus what? X, Abi. Then for biology only, what do? 18 minus what? X. Can I proceed now? Then when I told that 3 did not offer any, that means they are not part of these 2, but they are outside. They are part of the students. They are just where? Outside. Are you getting the concept? Can I proceed now? This is a past question now. Hope you are aware. Am I too fast? Should I increase my speed? I should increase Abi? It's okay that way. I should reduce it a little. If I reduce it, you don't like it though. Okay, let's reduce it gradually. What do we do now? You're laughing. Okay, to find. What is the first question? To find what? Find what? Find those that what? That offers what? Both. So what do we do now? The entire set here, we are told it equals to what? 32, Abi? Always put it here. General set is what, yeah? 32. Are you there? It means that to find those that offers what? Both. Which is x, Abi? I will add this. Physics only. Plus what? Physics and what? Biology only. Plus what? Biology what? Only. Plus 3. Plus what? 3. Add this. Physics only. This is part of the set. Hope you're aware. This is also part. This is also part. This is what? Only physics, Abi. This only what? Biology. This is what? Only physics and what? Biology. You get the concept there? Then these 3, they're also part of the set. It means if I'm adding this with this, I must add what to it? 3. Is that making sense? Because 3 is also part of the what? Set itself. Can we now add up now? Therefore, we have 16, right? Minus x plus what? X, Abi. Plus what, yeah? 18 minus x plus what? 3. All equals to what? 30 what, yeah? 2. So can we, minus x plus x is 0. Hope you are aware. Why is it 0? Who can tell me? We are subtracting them, Abi. So this will go right as 0. Is that not? Now, what do you have left? 16 plus 18 is what? Minus k. 16 plus 18 is what? Plus 3. 37. What's meaning here? Minus x equals to what? 32, right? So what do we do here? We subtract what? 37 from both sides. Or we move this to the other side, Abi. So what do you have here? Minus x equals to what? What's here? 32. When you move, it becomes what? Minus 37. So what do you have? Minus x equals to what? Minus what? Minus what? 5, right? So what do you do to find x here? Divide both sides by what? By x. Yeah, if you divide by x, it's divide both sides by what? Minus 1. So we have minus x equals to what? Minus 5 over what? Minus 1 over what? Minus 1. Can this go with this? Can this go with what's that x here? 5. So that means those that offers what? Both are what? 5. Those that offer. Please write. Offers both equals to what? Somebody? 5 what? Students. Put this down. Can I me? What's the next question there? What's the next question there? How many offers what? Exactly one. Now I've already explained what that exactly one means. That means those that offer only, Abi, only physics and only what? Exactly one. Means only physics and what? Only what? Biology. Exactly, right? One what? Subject. What's the answer there? 16 minus x plus what? 18 minus x. These are exactly one. Physics only plus what? Biology what only. Or you can just in bracket write it for them. This represents what? Physics what? Only. Plus what? Biology what? Only. What physics only? Let's go. 16 minus what? X. What biology only? Can we add up now? 16 minus what? My x here? 5, right? Plus what? 18 minus 5, right? Yeah, please, what do you have here? Let's go. 11 plus what? Plus what? 13. What do you have in total? 20 what? 4. Please put this down. 24 what? Students. Exactly one subject. Exactly one. There are many number? 24. Exactly one subject. Next question. What's the next thing there? Biology what? You know the answer now. What's the answer there? Which is what? 18 minus what? X, Abi, which is 18 minus 5. What's the answer there? 13. What again? What again? Physics what? Only. Which is what there? What's the formula there? 16. What's the formula there? 16 minus what? X, Abi. Minus what? 5. What do you have there? 11. What's the last part? How many offers what? Okay, chemistry. Those are offers what? Chemistry, right? Chemistry. Those are offers chemistry. Do you have chemistry among them? So what's the answer there? Just put 0, okay? What do you have there again? Now, this is where the English language comes in, right? The word at least means what? At least one means what? Now, when you do at least one, it means either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. At least means from that number, you're going what? Up. At most means what? You're coming down. When they say at most 3, that means either what? 3, 2 or what? Or 1. Exactly. So when they say at least what? 1, that means those are offers what? Exactly 1. Abi? Plus what? Exactly what? 2. If I have 3 subsets, I will also include what? Those are offers what? Exactly 3. Are you getting it now? The word at least means, at least 1 means, those are offer 1 subject only. Plus what? 2 subjects what? Only. Is that clear? Okay. So at least 1 means, those that what? Offers what? Exactly what? 1, Abi? Plus what? Plus what? 2, right? 2 subjects. Is that not? So for exactly 1, what do we have here? Exactly 1. We have what here? 24, right? 24 plus what? What about 2 subjects? The answer is x. Those that offer exactly 1 is this plus this, Abi. The answer is what there? 24. Now, 2 subjects is what? X. And what's that x there? So let me say plus what? X, Abi, which is 24 plus what? 5. What do you have there? 20 what? 9. So put it down. Put it down. Is that okay? Okay. What did I say? At most 2 subjects. At most 2 subjects. At most 2 subjects. I've said it before. At most means either what? 2 or what? 1 or 0 or none. Add it to your question. Add it to your question. Add it to your question. At most 2 means those are offers 2 subjects, Abi. Plus what? Those are offers what? 1. And those are offers what? None. None is what? 3. That means I'm going to add what? Exactly 2, Abi. And what again? Exactly what? 1. And none is 3. Are you getting the concept here? Eh? You didn't get it? We are also fine. Please write. Finish up this first. When you're done, let me know. Are you ready? Eh? Yes. Exactly. At least 1 means, though at least means I'm going up. Those that offers 1 or 2 or above 2. Those that offers 1 means what? Exactly 1. Offers 1 means I will add this with this, which is the same thing we got here, Abi, as well, 24. You understand what I'm saying? This simply means those that offers what? 1. Are you getting the concept? Then plus what? Those that offer 2 subjects. Where are they? Where are they? Between. This S means what? 5, Abi. It means they offer what? Both physics and what? And biology. Which is what? 5. So when you add the what you have there, 29. Then when I say at most 2, meaning those that offer 2 subjects, 1 and what? None. Is that clear? Are you getting the concept? At most means you are coming down. So can we now something together now? Can I clean the middle part? Or let me clean this side, right? Oh yeah, let's put it down here. It's good. Let me just bring it up. Those that what? Okay, at most, right? At most what? 2 what? Subject, right? What do you say it is again? Those that offers what? 2 subject, right? 2 subjects plus what? Exactly what? 1, Abi. Plus what? None, right? What's 2 subjects? 5. What's exactly 1 again? Thank you. 24. Plus what? 3. What do you have there? 30 what? The entire set instead. When they say at most 3, it means what? At most 3 means what? 2, Collect me, Let me show you something. Listen, let me show you something. While you are writing, just pay attention. Let's see if I have 3 subsets. Let's analyze it together. 1 Abi, 2, and what? 3. This is subset A, subset B, and what? Subset C. Let us put some numbers. Let me put A, B, C, D, E, F, and what here? G. Are you getting the concept here? Let's say exactly A. A only is what? Yeah. What's B only? C. What's C only? G. Are you getting the concept here? What is A and B only? A and B only. This here, this intersection. What is B and C only? D. Are you getting the concept? What is A and C only? F. Then those are offered the 3. A. Right? Intersection. Are you following? Then when they say exactly 1, it means what? A plus C plus what? G. Is that clear? Let me say we have under some. Let's say I have H here outside. When they say exactly 2, who can tell me? Exactly 2. B plus D plus what? F. This is exactly 2. Because in this case we have what? Only 2 words. Subject Abi. A and B intersect here. B and C intersect here. A and what? C intersect here. So when I say exactly 2, is this, and this, right? When I say exactly 3 means what? What is common in what? In A, B, and C. What is the answer? E. Now let's look at the other aspect now. When you hear the word at least 2, at least 2 means what? We are going up, Abi. Whether either 2 or what? Or 3. Means I will add up what? Exactly 2 and what? Exactly what? 3. Is that not? That means I will add up what? B plus what? F plus what? D plus what? E. Are you getting the concept here? What of exactly 3? Sorry. At least 3. 3 means what? E plus what? B, Abi. I will add all the 3 sets first, Abi. Then add up again. Exactly 2 and what? Exactly what? 1. That's at least what? 3. At least 3 means from 3. Sorry. At most 3. Sorry. At most 3 means what? 3, 2, 1, 0. So at most 3. At most 3 means what? What's our 3, yeah? What's our 2, yeah? B, D, and F are B. Are you there now? What's our 1 here? Plus what again? H. Because at most 3 means 2, 3, 2, 1, and what? None. None is what? H. What of at least 3? That thing came to my mouth. Enter my mouth. At least 3. Hmm? Eh? Only what? E. Why is it E? Eh? We don't have anything greater than what? 3. Abi? At least means I'm going up now. Is that not? So at least 3 means what? Just only what? E. What about at least 4? 0. Why is it 0? We only have 3 words. Subsets. Is that okay now? At least you grab this part. Let me have that past question again. There's a part I saw. The D part. The last part of it. Let's solve past question. Also repeat. They love repeating past one in mathematics. They might just pick this and give you a guess. Hope you are following, right? Okay. That's same. Put this question down, all of you. Put this down, all of you. The subset of A and B. The subset of A and B is a universal set. The subset of A and B. This is not a Venn diagram. Not Venn diagram. I just saw it since it's in that same year. Let's solve it together, okay? They give 2 sets in 1 year. That's good. The subset of capital A and what? Capital B. Are you there? Of a universal set. Of a universal set are defined as follows. Are defined as follows. Universal set is given as this. X is such that 10 is less than or equals to X less than or equals to 30. Subset A is X is such that X is a prime number. Subset B is X such that X is an even number. Subset C, X is such that X is a multiple of 3. Then the question says, list the elements of I, A, I, B, I. Just put A here for the question. I, C, IV, A intersection what? C, V, B intersection what? C. Are you there? Then the B part says, describe the set what? D equals 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29 in terms of A and B. Now look at this. We are giving. Hello. Can we now solve now? We are giving that general set is this, right? Set A is this. Set A is S such that S is a prime number. B is what? S such that S is an even number. What of C? S such that S is what? A multiple of 3. Then we're not giving this to solve. And that. Listen. Before you can find your A, B, C, You have to determine what your general set comprises of. Am I communicating now? And we are told that S is such that 10 is less than or equals to what? S. Listen. 10 is less than or equals to what? S. What's the reverse form of this? S is greater than or equals to what? 10. Abi? Are you aware that if 10 is less than what? X, that implies what? S is greater than or equals to what? 10. Do you understand? You now ask yourself, what are the numbers? S is greater than, 10 is greater than. Eh? Is 10 part of it? I'll start from where? From 10 itself. Why are we starting from 10? Because we have what here? An equal sign here. If I don't have an equal sign, it means I'll start from what? 11. Is that clear, somebody? Because we have an equal sign here, that means 10 is part of it. Abi? So let's list. Solution. But don't forget that we are told that that same S is less than or equals to what? 30. Meaning I will start from 10 and end where? 30. Oh yeah, let's go to general sets. List the element. General sets, okay, is what? From 10, Abi? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, or just tell them from here, eh? Let's say 12, 13, right? 14, dot, to what? 30. You know what this means, right? But if you can list them, still list them out for them, okay? Now, list the element of what? A. What are the elements of A? We are told that A is a prime number. Before you list, you now ask yourself, what are prime numbers? Numbers that have two divisors, Abi, which are what? 1 and what? Itself. Are you there? 1 and what? Itself. Is 1 a prime number? No. 1 only has what? 1 divisor, which is what? Itself, Abi. Is 2 a prime number? Yes. Is 3 a prime number? Yes. Is 4 a prime number? No. Why is 4 not a prime number? It has 3 divisors, Abi. 1, 2, and what? 4. Are you getting the concept now? What of 5? What of 6? 7. You know what I'm saying, Abi? Now, how do we list this? Don't forget that all the elements of what? Of A must fall between what? From 10 to what? To 30. It means to get the prime of A, I will start from where? 10, Abi? Are you getting the concept here? Don't go and start writing 2, 3, 5 because you now list all the prime numbers for them. You are wrong, oh, you fail it. Already we are told that general set is from what? 10 to what? 30. That means every element of A must fall between what? 10 and what? 30. Is that not? Now let's go. Is 10 a prime number? Is it a prime number? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21, 21. No. Let's verify. Is it a prime number? Divide 21 by 3. What do you have? Divide 21 by 7. What do you have? 21 by 3. What do you have? So it's not a prime. What again? 20 what? Is it a prime number? 20 what? 24, 25, 26, 27. Or see? 27, 27. No. Explain your no. 27 into 3, 27 into 7, into 9. Can it go? So it's not a prime, Abi. What again? 29. What about 30? Oh yeah, put this down. Oh yeah, let's list out B, Abi. B is what? S is an even number. I will start from where again? 10, Abi. Let's go. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Wait now, 28. And what? 30. What again? S is a multiple of 3. What does that imply? Number that you can divide 3 with, Abby? Don't go and add 3 there. Hope you are aware. It must start from where? 10 and end where? Let's check together. 12. 16 is here, mom. 18. 21. 20. 24. 27. 30. Right? You are trying. Clap yourself. Clap yourself. We have done A, B, and what? C. Then the next one says find A intersection what? Is that C? A intersection what? Yeah, C. Between A and C, what is common? Nothing but. So what do you have here? This or this, Abby? Either leave it empty this way or this. This is a null set, empty. Nothing is common. That means what? A and C are called what? Disjoint what? Set. They are called what? Disjoint set. What are disjoint sets? Sets that have no any element in what? In common. Are you there, somebody? Okay. Correct me here. Let's find what now? B intersection C. What is the answer there? B intersection what? C. What do you say you have there again? 18, 24, 30. Okay. Let's go. What's the next one there? Describe the sets D in terms of A and what? And B. I said describe it, Abby. D in terms of what? A and B. Let's describe D in terms of what? A first. Every element in D, are they in A? Are they in A? Exactly the same thing. That means that the first description is that where is it again? D, right? A is equals to what? Yeah? D. What are equal sets? Equal sets are those sets that have the same elements. Element in this is also a what in this. Are you getting the concept now? That means they are what? Equal. Are you there? Number 2 is that, listen on. A in terms of this, right? D is a subset of what? Of A. What are subsets? You know we have, listen please, right. We have subset, right? And we have what? Proper what? Proper what? Proper what? Set. Abby? Proper set. Listen. Subset is this symbol, right? This symbol is what? Are you aware? Are you aware? This is what? Subset. This is what? Proper subset. There are 2 conditions that satisfy subsets. Yeah, A is equals to what? B. Let me bring it down again. We have subsets. And we have what here? Proper what? Proper set, Abby? Which is what? This, right? Yeah, we have only 2 conditions that satisfy this. Yeah, either A is equals to what? B. Or A is not equals to what? B. For this means A is not equals to what? B. In my first class, go and watch the YouTube video. Go to YouTube. Go and watch my video on what? On sets. I explain it in details in my YouTube video. Listen. If there's a subset, either A is equals to B or what? A is not equals to what? B. If I have between D and what? A, are these 2 sets equal? Is this condition here? Where is it here? This shall be. So since I'm saying that D and what? A are equal, that means D is a what? Subset of what? Of A. Even A is also what? Subset of what? D. Because both of them are what? Are equal. Let me give an instance. Listen. But hope you are aware that, let's look at this now. Listen. Between D and what now and B? Every element in D, are they here? They are not here, right? Okay, I can't describe it here. Let me give an instance. Listen. Use. No, don't work. Listen. If I have A to be this, 1, 2, 3, and 4, I have B to be this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and what? 6, Listen. Is A equals to B? No, now. Is A equals to B? But every element in A are then in B. Do we have it here? Which is this, right? Are you getting the concept? Is here is also what? Yeah, B. That means that A is a what? Subset of what? Of B. Also, A is a what? Proper what? Set of what? Of B. Am I communicating? Because these two signs are where? And in this, Abi. What if I have this? Let me show you something. Let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we describe this together? Is A equals to B, right? Is A what? Subset of B? Yes, Abi. But can we say A is a what? Proper set of what? Of B. Why? Because A is not equals to B. Am I communicating now? So because A equals to what? B. Are you there now? And that A equals to B is only captured where? In the subset. So for this now, since D is equals to what? A. We are saying that D is a what? Subset of what? Okay. Is that clear? Now let's describe it now in terms of what now? In terms of what? Let's say A and B. Now in terms of what now? Let's take every element here, they are not here, right? So what do? We are going to say that we can say that D, right, is not equals to what, yeah? B, right? But is there anything common between this D and B? We can also say that D intersection what? C is what? Is what? Sorry. Is that C? B, right? Is what? Somebody? An empty set. That is D and what? And B are called what? What are they called? They are called disjoint what? Sets. This is their description. This is their what? Description. Any question? Please write. Yes. A and B are disjoints. Between A and B, is there nothing is common, right? They are disjoints, yes. But you don't put it in terms of the description. I'm only describing D. In terms of what? A and what?